In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your printer to the factory defaults. This is the HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E printer. Go to the printer display panel. On the panel, we have to click on the menu. Scroll down and look for the option Tools. Click on the Maintenance. Restore settings. There are different options, so if you want, you can restore the network settings, user data settings, or you can go to the restore factory defaults. Right now I'm just going to click on the restore factory defaults. So it will give some warning information. It will remove everything, all the information. Do you want to continue? Yes, restore. The printer will restart. So this way we can restore this printer to the factory defaults. Thanks for watching.